Another really fun option in here is this glass block option. If you check this, it's essentially going to pixelate the glass. It's going to make it look like it's kind of a glass block plate. It's basically taking the image and compressing it into a bunch of different blocks, but keeping it inside of the glass. And so now you have this option. You can adjust where the center of the image is in this glass. And you'll notice that if I go too far, it'll actually start to take the plate away. And by doing that, you can get some really cool effects in here. Okay. So you can adjust the center X and Y and adjust it so that it kind of goes off of the image. And then the actual glass itself is going to kind of deteriorate. You can get some really cool effects that way. You can also set this back to 0 and adjust the scale, and that's going to change the size of the image itself. So then it's going to scale everything. So again, you can get some really cool animated effects here. You can even make it so that there's no plate at all. And then as you animate it, it kind of like pixelates in or it kind of gets created out of thin air. So there's really cool animations in here. Also, you can change the angle of the plates. So if you just flip it around like this, you can see that you're adjusting the angle and you can see kind of the image of the bird in the background flipping around. So adjusting the angle is another really good way to get some cool effects in here. Also, you can adjust the tile size. So if you want to make the tiles much bigger or if you want to make the tiles much smaller, you can. If you get to a certain point, 0, of course, the tiles disappear. So you just want to tinker around with this setting and find what actually works for you. And of course, just like most of the other settings in here, we can mix and match this effect that's happening in. So you can either have absolutely no glass block, or you can have 100% glass block, or anywhere in between, okay? These mix options in here are a really good way to apply an effect, but do it subtly.